Good morning, Jilly Cube. Today we're doing what I like to call a chaos blowout. It did start doing a little bit of experimenting with different things, but it ended up me blowing the paint out, and boy, what a fantastic result did I get. So I started off with the black and white acrylic paints with my pouring medium added, and if anybody is a beginner and like to go to my YouTube channel for beginners, it'll tell you exactly there the pouring medium and products that I use in creating fluid art, or acrylic pouring as it's known. I started off with these little cookie cutters to pour different colours in, seeing what it would maybe look like just with the little puddle pours in these cookie cutters. But then I did go kind of the next step from there. So let's see what happens with this. They're mostly metallics, like I used metallic silver, metallic bronze, gold. I customized a few colours, adding gold and silver together makes a lovely champagne gold, and of course white. And then this is the cool blue that I added to give it a bit of a pop. Yeah, at this point I thought, nah, nothing good's going to come of that one. So I just poured a little bit more of my paint on there so I would have kind of enough fluidity to blow it out with my little mini dryer. And those lovely colours. That was a custom colour there with silver and dark sea, that lovely blue. So yeah, there was lots of custom colours, and as I said, if you want to see the full creation video, go to my YouTube channel and all the tutorial is up on there. So now wait and see the magic happen. Wow, this really did give a stunning result just with that little hairdryer. The little hairdryer I'm using I found in a charity shop, and it's called a Baby Bayliss or something like that. So the end results were stunning. I was super happy with it. So if you want to get some friends together, or you anybody, family members, your hubby, your wife, whoever, have a go at this. It is so rewarding. It's so much fun. So be back and watch my videos again tomorrow. Bye for now.